We are starving. Time to get cooking. I'm gonna make Antonia a dish fit for Julius Caesar himself. Lovely Brasato di Manzo in Vino rosso. Braised beef in red wine. For this recipe, you need 1 kilogram of topside. So, you are the emperor?
No.
Yeah. You know, today...
Oh, Gennaro.
Come on.
Gennaro.
Come on, bless you.
Gennaro.
First, for start, you should have a nice piece of a beef.
That's a beautiful piece of beef.
This is beautiful flavor of a beef. I need to prepare a marinade to make the beef tasty and tender. For flavor, I'm chopping onions, garlic, carrots, and a stick of celery.
Why do you chop it so small?
Because I want all this almost melted in the wine. And I'm good. Again, the celery, you do exactly the same. The vegetables go in a dish big enough to hold the beef, along with black pepper and a couple of bay leaves.
So you give me a crown and now you destroy it.
Just a little bit. 1 and 2. I don't want the meat to fall to pieces when it's cooked. Do it? So I tie it up with a nice clean piece of string. Pull it, turn around, get through 1. Fantastic. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then all the meat, come on, stay together.
It looks beautiful, yes.
And then you put them all inside. Okay, 2 sprigs of rosemary, 1 and 2.
Yes, I love the noise.
You must leave the meat to marinate overnight or at least for 12 hours. Do not use cooking wine. The better the wine, the better the taste. And this dish is fit for a king. But Antonio is hungry, he cannot wait. So I'm cooking this piece without marinade. It will still taste fantastic. Let me show my muscles.
You are really a master chef.
First, we fry the meat to seal the juices. Then pour all the marinade in the cooking pan, and when it comes to the boil, return the beef. Add a little bit of salt. I didn't want to put the salt in the marinade because the salt makes the meat tough. So if I put it now, I can balance just right. Slowly, 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 I'm going to turn it down and cook it for about 2 hours. What are we going to do for 2 hours?
I wanted to peruse actually what this cellar is about. Goodness, 1950.
1950?
Yeah, this one.
Where?
Here.
Which one?
This here.
Older this glass. So I put them inside the bottle.
Yeah.
Stand it like that.
Yeah. Oh, that's wonderful. I hope that it tastes as it looks, Gennaro. Oh, you make it really...
Now it is cooked, tender, full of wine, fit for a king. Look how soft it is, Antonio, dissolve it.
No, tear it apart.
He's so drunk.
Whatever you do it quick because I'm hungry.
Oh, yes, yes.
A little bit more?
A little bit more. Just a little bit of this lovely juice, which is on top.
Yum, yum, yum.
With a nice bit of slice of bread, Antonio.
Thank you.
For you on the side. Spend.
Gennaro,
What?
you are the emperor.
Did you think I deserve it?
Yeah. I am glad, Gennaro, that I find the real man in Rome.
Thank you.